Let us talk about surviving a divorce as a man. Hi everyone, this is George Start and welcome to my channel. For those that are new to my channel, I welcome you. For those that are subscribers, thanks for supporting me all these while. And on this channel, I talk about all things men, focusing on grooming, fashion, finance, health, self-improvement, and so much more. And while you're here, click the link below to subscribe to my channel. Your support helps me tremendously and it costs you absolutely nothing. Divorce can be one of the most challenging experiences in a man's life. It often brings a whirlwind of emotions, ranging from sadness and anger to relief and a newfound freedom. While the end of a marriage marks the conclusion of a chapter, also signals the beginning of another one. These new phases in our life as men offers a unique opportunity for personal growth and development. So in these videos, I'll share various ways for men to develop and grow after a divorce. This video will address emotional healing, physical well-being, and social connection as a man, including professional growth and overall life satisfaction. Now, let's start with emotional and mental well-being. Acknowledge and process your emotions as a man. The first step in moving forward after a divorce is to acknowledge and process your emotions. It's normal to feel a range of emotions, including grief, anger, sadness, and confusion. Avoiding these feelings can lead to long-term emotional issues for us as men. Rather, take the time to sit with your emotions, understand them, and allow yourself to grieve the loss of your marriage. You never planned for your marriage to end, but life happens and you have to move on as a man. Secondly, seek professional help. Therapy can be an invaluable tool in navigating the aftermath of a divorce. A licensed therapist or counselor can provide a safe space to explore your feelings and develop coping strategies. There's so many therapies online that your counselor or therapist can introduce you to as a man. These therapies help us as men to manage our thought patterns and build strength and resilience after a divorce. Now, practicing mindfulness and meditation. Meditation are powerful practices that can help you as a man to stay grounded and present. These techniques encourage you to focus on the present moment, reducing anxiety and improving overall mental clarity. Being able to meditate and stay mindful every day as a man is very important. It gives you a sense of calmness, a sense of purpose, and a sense of direction as well. Now, let's talk about journaling. Journaling is a very effective way to process your emotions as a man. Writing down your thoughts and feelings can provide clarity and insight into your emotional state. It can also help you track your progress and recognize patterns in your emotions and behavior as you go through the stage of divorce. Now, let's talk about physical well-being. Prioritize your health. Please, guys, it's important when you get divorced, you're starting your life all over again, not to let yourself go. Physical health is closely linked to emotional well-being. After a divorce, it's important to prioritize your health by maintaining a balanced diet, getting regular exercises, and ensuring adequate sleep. Exercise in particular is a great way to relieve your stress and boost your mood and improve your physical health. More so, when you look good after a divorce, you're able to start dating. When your physical health is good after a divorce, you look fit, you look good. It gives you the confidence to start dating, going out, enjoying life for what it is. Explore new activities. Now that you're single, use that time to explore new physical activities that you may not have tried before. Whether it's joining the gym, taking up running, learning a new sport, or engaging in physical activities, these can provide a sense of accomplishment and boost your confidence overall. You build in social connection, reconnect with your friends and family. After a divorce, it's important to reconnect with people that matters to you. Divorce can sometimes lead to social isolation. Reconnecting with friends and family can provide the support and companionship needed during this time. Don't hesitate to reach out and let them know you need their support. Speak out. Don't suffer in silence. Join support groups. Support group offer a sense of community and understanding. Sharing your experience with other men who are going through similar situations can be incredibly healing. These groups provide a platform to exchange advice, share stories, and offer mutual support. Expand your social circle. Consider expanding your social circle by joining clubs, taking classes, or participating in community events. This not only helps you meet new people, also allows you to explore new and interesting activities, meet women, meet new people in your life, and start new relationships and friendships. Professional growth and financial stability. Focus on career development. A divorce can be a catalyst for reevaluating your career goals and aspirations. Use this time to focus on your personal development. Whether it's pursuing formal education, seeking a new job opportunity, or enhancing your skill, investing in your career can provide a sense of purpose and direction. Financial planning. Divorce can often bring social challenges and ruin to a lot of men. Most men do not survive divorce financially. Working with a financial advisor can help you create a budget, manage your debt, and plan for the future. Having a clear financial plan can alleviate your stress, provide a sense of security for you. Now, what about entrepreneurship and side hustle? If you always wanted to start your own business or pursue a side hustle, this might be a perfect time for it. Entrepreneurship can be a rewarding way to channel your energy and creativity into something productive and make money out of it. Set goals and create a vision. Setting personal goals can give you a sense of direction and purpose. Create a vision for your future that includes both short and long-term goals. This vision can guide your actions and decisions, helping you stay focused and motivated during the trying time. Travel and new experiences. Traveling can be a great way to gain new perspective and experiences. Whether it's a solo trip or a group adventure, traveling allows you as a man to step out of your comfort zone and discover new cultures, ideas and ways of living that are quite strange to you or new to you. Build a new relationship. Jumping into a new relationship immediately after a divorce can be very tempting, but may not be the best approach. Take time to heal and discover what you want in a future relationship. This period for man, period of self-reflection, can help you avoid repeating past mistakes and ensure that you're emotionally ready for a new commitment. Being single for a while after a divorce and focusing on you, being selfish for a while is important. Helps you to grow in that space to understand yourself a little bit better. Learn from past relationships. Reflect on your past relationship and identify what worked and what did not. Understanding these dynamics can help you build healthy relationship in the future. Communication, trust, and mutual respect are key components for successful relationship, and you need that. Open yourself to new possibilities. When you're ready, open yourself to possibilities of a new relationship. Whether it's through dating apps, social events, or mutual friends, meeting new people can be a rewarding experience for you. Approach new relationship with an open mind and a willingness to learn and grow without overcommitting. Work-life balance. Maintaining a healthy work-life balance is crucial for overall well-being. Make sure to allocate time for work, personal interests, social connection, and self-care. Balanced life during this time promotes happiness and reduces stress. Self-care. Now, there's a buzz out there about self-care these days. After a divorce, self-care is essential for men. Self-care, especially after a major life transition like divorce, can include physical activities, hobbies, relaxation techniques, and anything else that brings you joy and relaxation. Taking care of yourself ensures you have the energy and resilience to face new challenges that life throws at you. Divorce, while it's challenging, can also be a powerful catalyst for personal growth for men, a period of transformation. By focusing on emotional healing, physical well-being, social connection, professional growth, personal discovery, us as men can navigate this life transition and emerge stronger and more fulfilled. Remember, it's essential to take your time, seek support when needed, embrace the journey of self-discovery. Patience, perseverance, life after divorce can be an opportunity for a fresh start for most of us, and a more vibrant future, a fulfilling one, awaits you. Click the link below, subscribe to my channel. It does me tremendously and helps you to recommend my videos to other men looking for similar content. This is Troll Style signing out. Be safe out there.